Hello guys. Today we learn about how to get Instagram access token.
First, go to Facebook Developers account. Facebook for Developers is an independent service. You can use your existing or you can register a new account which you will confirm. Now, log in your account. Now, clicking the Create App button will trigger a mobile window. First, select None options, then click Next button. Register new app. Adding an app will open a pop-up window where you need to insert. Create name for your app. Contact email address. Connect your business manager account in case you have one and wish to connect it. Now, click on Create App button. Write your password, then press Submit button. Step 3. Configure Instagram Basic Display. Click Setup under the Instagram Basic Display. Navigate to the Basic Display and scroll to the very bottom of the page. Go to Basic Settings, and scroll to the very bottom of the page. Click on Add Platform, select Website icon, then Next button. Click on Site URL, type any site name. Then click on Save Changes button. Step 4. Get the access token. Navigate to the Basic Display section.
Click on Create New App button. And then click Create App.
After creating an app, you will be automatically redirected to this section.
Click on Add Instagram Tester button. And add an Instagram tester. Type any Instagram ID name, select. And then Submit button. Log into the Instagram account of the username you added as the Instagram tester. Go to Profile Settings. And click on Apps and Websites. And then click on the Tester Invites tab. Click Accept to approve the invitation. Go to Facebook Developers account. Find the app you created. Then click on Navigate to Basic Display. Scroll to the User Token Generator section. And click the Generate Token button. You may need to re-log in to the Instagram account again in order to allow specific permissions. Your token is being generated. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more videos and updates. Also, share the video on social platforms with your friends.